Hello my people, welcome to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll be showing you how I make this chicken sausage. This is very easy, you can do it on your own. Are you one of those that have been wondering how can I make my own sausage with no nonsense inside? At least I'm sure of what I'm eating. Worry no more. This recipe will guide you through and you can make your own sausage. Here I'm using chicken breast for this recipe. So I'll be slicing it. I prefer to use my kitchen scissors for this. So if you can use your knife, it's still okay. So I'll be cutting it into little pieces to help my blender to blend it into paste. You can see all well cut. So I'll be using my heavy duty blender food processor for this. So I'll be adding my chicken. I will not add all at the same time because it might not blend all nicely. So I will add half of it and blend it. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. You can see all well blended already. So I'll be pouring it into my bowl. And do the second batch. All done. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, please like, comment and share, and subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors. You can see the paste came out so well. Here I'm using potato starch for this. I'm using it as a binder. I added the water, and I have to pour it into my meat. Here I use the beetroot for the coloring. I don't know why my video skipped that part, but that was beetroot. So you can see it changed the color of the paste. So everything well blended. So here you can add water as much as you needed. I'm using this tool for my piping. So this is very easy, handy piping tools that you can use for your sausage instead of buying the big machine. And this thread and this heat resistant plastic casing. So I have to tie the edge of one side so that it doesn't leak. You can see it's easy, you can make your own sausage with no nonsense inside. Here I'll be filling up my piping too. This is very easy. So I hope you will get to try this recipe and get your own sausage done. You can use any meat of your choice for this recipe. Here I prefer to use chicken for this and the chicken breast. So you can add the spices because I think the video also skipped where I added the spices, and those spices are based on your choice. Whatever you want, you can add to it for your own taste. So you can see it's so easy to pipe into the bag. So I'll be tying the edge so that everything is well done. So here I did the rest of the camera and you can see how many it came out, like 11 pieces of these long strips. So I'll be twisting it back and forth to separate it according to the size of the sausage that I want. So if you want it small, you can just twist both and go on different sides to get what you want. So you can see making your own sausage is very easy. You can do it on your own. So remember, if you're seeing my video for the first time, what are you waiting for? Please subscribe, follow me, Like my video, comment and share. It costs you nothing. You can see all well done. I have finished the separation and now I'll be boiling them on the hot water. I added this water and put my heat on, so I'll be adding half of it and cover it and let it boil. You can see it's about to boil. Now it's boiling. All I need to do is to bring it out and add it on the other side where there is cold water. Making your own home sausage is very easy and at least it's yummy. You add the taste you want and it's so easy to do. Why don't you give it a try? If you can do it, why do you need to buy? You can see all well done. I'll be trying it out. I'm so happy it came out so well. And let me try one. Wow, so yummy. So I'll be taking it out from the plastic, all of them. So this is very good. You can see the color is amazing. Exactly what I want. Hope you get to try this recipe. Please remember, if you have not followed me on my Facebook page, please follow GLAATORY Flavors and also subscribe to my YouTube channel. Here I'll be storing it, putting it into a bag that I needed for storing them. So, and I'll seal those bags. I'm putting it according to the much I'll be needing at a time. So this is very easy to make. So I use this vacuum sealer to seal them up. So you can see, so nice. So how do you feel if you can make your own sausage? I bet you will like it. You can see, so nice and so yummy. Hope you get to try this. Thank you for watching and follow me for more videos. Bye.